What's up, everybody? Just doing a quick 5-minute trade session, and let's go. Do some $30, $35, $30 trades. And let's see what we can get here. We're gonna go in fearless for the wins. Looking for the wins. Where's the wins? Show us the wins. Got a win. Where's the wins? Where's the wins? Great, got another win. Where's the wins? Where is it? Show us the wins. Show it to us. Show us the wins. Show us the W's. Show us the W's. Where is the W's? Got a win. We're 3-0 so far. Looking pretty good. There's the wins. Show us the wins. Show us your feet behind the curtain. Looking for wins. Looking for wins. Where are the wins? Where are the wins? Where are the wins? The wins. Time is just off there, but we'll get the next one. Still looking for some more wins. If you're gonna look for anything, you might as well look for some wins, right? Oh, pretty strong. Oh, flipped around, good. Got a win. So where are we at? We're 4 wins, 2 loss. 4 wins, 2 loss right now. Looking for more wins. See if we can get them. Win, win, win. 2 for wins. Got another win. 5 wins, 2 losses. Looking for some more wins. Looking for some winners. Where's the winners? Where's the winners? Looking for some winners. Where's the winners? Winners, winners, looking for the winners. Winners, winners, we're looking for the winners. 2 minutes left on the clock, still looking for more winners. Where's those hot dogs? Where's the wieners? Where's the more wieners? Looking for wieners. Looking for winning positions. Where's the winners, guys? Where's the winners? That one turned around quick. Looking for more winners here. More winners. Got a win there, good. Just looking for winners, that's all we're looking for. Just looking for winners. Strong downtrend, might keep going. Kind of risky. Just looking for winners. Got a minute left on the clock. Looking for more winners. Can you say winners? Looking for winning trades. Winning trades. Only. We only take winning trades. Only take winning trades. Just winning trades. That's all we're looking for. Got a W there. 30 seconds left. Looking for a W. Winning trades. More winning trades. Got a win. Good. We got 10 seconds left on the clock. Looking for more winning trades. Those are the best kind of trades. Everybody loves those kinds. So let's just keep on looking for winning trades. 5 seconds left. We're done. Okay, so let's see what we did here. 1, 2, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 trades taken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 8 out of 11. What percentage? Chart pros. 8 out of 11. Oh, that's why. Dumb block. 72, 72. Sweet. Nice. So yeah, we just freestyled that. Went at it kind of a haphazard style. Right on. A lot better than the last session. Cool. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.